Hi everyone, in this video I'll teach you how to make the perfect round shaped puff-puff that will be crispy outside and fluffy inside. This recipe is very easy and straightforward, so make sure you watch till the end. We are going to start by adding some flour into a clean bowl. Make sure you sieve the flour, then add some sugar, add instant yeast, add baking powder and salt. Mix everything together. After mixing, add in some warm water. I'll leave the measurement in the description below, so make sure you check. Now you want to mix well till everything is well incorporated. You can beat it exactly the way I'm doing in this video because we don't want any lump inside. Once it is well mixed, cover it with a plastic wrap. You can also use a clean nylon bag if you don't have a plastic wrap. Then wrap it well with a towel and keep in a warm place for 20 minutes. Once it's almost 20 minutes, you need a pot or a deep pan, because if you use a flat pan with small amount of oil, your puff-puff will be flat like akara, and I'm sure you don't want that. Now pour some oil in your pot and add small onions for extra flavor. So bring out the puff-puff batter, remove the towel and the plastic wrap. As you can see, it has doubled in size. Now, to get a perfect round shape puff-puff, you need to use this side of your hand. The hole between your thumb and your index finger, not the other finger side. This side is the best for a perfect round shaped puff-puff. Now, if your onions are turned brown like this, then the oil is hot enough to fry. Scoop some into your hand. You don't have to deflate it, trust me, it's not necessary, especially if you are making in bulk. So use this side of your hand to scoop it gently inside the oil. Make sure your hand is a little bit close to the oil. Don't put it too far so that the hot oil won't splash on your body. Add generous amounts into the oil and please don't let it overlap. Please don't overlap too much. We want it to fry evenly. Please, this part is very important. Don't fry on low heat. Please fry on medium heat. Emphasis on medium heat. If you fry on low heat, your puff-puff will soak plenty oil. And if you fry on high heat, it will get burnt. The inside part won't cook. It will not fry. The inside part will be undone. So fry on medium heat. And just be using your spoon to flip. But trust me, not everything will flip. So just use your sieve to stir it around till everything is golden brown. Once it's golden brown, scoop it out and drain on your paper towel. You can remove the burnt onions from the oil for the next batch, then repeat the same process for the remaining batter. Scoop it gently using the hole between your thumb and index finger. Don't overlap. Turn it with your sieve and let everything fry evenly. Then scoop out once it's golden brown. If you have any question, please drop it in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe and like. Trust me when I say this is the easiest puff-puff recipe ever. Just follow this recipe step by step and you will thank me later. This puff-puff is very crispy outside and fluffy inside. You will absolutely love it. Your friends will ask for more the same way my friends ask for more. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video.